Hello, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you on how to disable cookies in the Trivago app on your Android phone. Managing your data privacy is important, and turning off cookies can help protect your personal information while using the app. Let's get started with. First, open the Trivago app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the profile icon. Then select the option labeled Manage Data Privacy Settings. After that, find the Cookies settings and turn off all cookies to disable them completely. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button to apply your changes. That's all you need to do to disable cookies in the Trivago app. Thanks for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Stay safe and enjoy better control over your privacy. See you next time.